Betelgeuse, one of the brightest stars in our night sky, is undergoing a transformation that has left astronomers puzzled and excited. Imagine a star so colossal that it would dwarf our Sun and engulf all the planets up to Jupiter if placed at the center of our solar system. This behemoth, Betelgeuse, is a red supergiant located in the constellation Orion. For centuries, it has captivated stargazers with its striking reddish hue and immense size. But now, this cosmic giant is behaving strangely, leaving astronomers on the edge of their seats. In a stunning twist, Betelgeuse has recently experienced a sudden increase in brightness, surging by over 50% and leaping from the 10th to the 7th brightest star in the night sky. This dramatic change has left scientists baffled and eager to unravel the mystery behind Betelgeuse's transformation. What could be causing this remarkable behavior? Is Betelgeuse on the brink of a cataclysmic event, or is this just a temporary phase in the star's life cycle? A star's luminosity is determined by its size, temperature, and distance from Earth. Betelgeuse is a true giant among stars, with a radius more than 700 times that of our Sun. Despite its enormous size, Betelgeuse is relatively cool for a star, with surface temperatures ranging between 3000 and 3500 Kelvin, giving it its distinctive red color. Throughout history, ancient civilizations have been fascinated by Betelgeuse, weaving it into their mythologies and folklore. The ancient Egyptians associated Betelgeuse with Osiris, the god of the underworld, while the Greeks linked it to the legendary hero Orion. These stories serve as a testament to the enduring allure of this celestial marvel. As astronomers continue to observe Betelgeuse's puzzling behavior, they are left with burning questions about the star's future. The stakes are high, and the consequences could be nothing short of astronomical. If Betelgeuse is indeed on the verge of a supernova explosion, it would be a once-in-a-lifetime event that could illuminate the night sky like never before. The explosion would be so bright that it would be visible even during the day, casting shadows on Earth and providing an unprecedented opportunity for scientific study. But the question remains, is this the calm before the cosmic storm or simply a temporary fluke in the life of a stellar giant? To understand Betelgeuse's future, we must first explore its immense size and current stage in the stellar life cycle. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant, a type of star nearing the end of its life. Stars, like living organisms, are born, evolve, and eventually die. They begin their lives in nebulae, vast clouds of gas and dust where gravity pulls material together to form protostars. As these protostars gain mass and temperature, nuclear fusion ignites in their cores, marking the birth of a new star. Over millions or billions of years, stars like Betelgeuse burn through their nuclear fuel, fusing hydrogen into helium and then helium into heavier elements. As they age, their internal dynamics change, leading to a series of transformations. When a star with a mass similar to Betelgeuse exhausts its fuel, it expands to an enormous size, becoming a red supergiant. At this stage, the star's outer layers are barely held together by gravity, making it highly unstable. The fate of a red supergiant like Betelgeuse is to eventually collapse under its own immense weight and explode in a spectacular cosmic event known as a supernova. Supernovae are among the most powerful and luminous events in the universe, releasing an enormous amount of energy in a short period. Betelgeuse is destined for a Type II supernova, which occurs when a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel and can no longer support its own mass. The core of the star collapses, triggering a shockwave that tears the star apart, expelling its outer layers into space at incredible speeds. If Betelgeuse were to go supernova, it would be a sight unlike any other. The first sign of the impending explosion would be a massive flood of neutrinos, elusive subatomic particles that rarely interact with matter. These neutrinos would escape the star's core moments before the shockwave, arriving at Earth hours before the light from the supernova. Observatories worldwide would be crucial in detecting this neutrino burst, alerting astronomers to the imminent explosion. As the shockwave reaches Betelgeuse's surface and the star explodes, an enormous amount of energy would be released in the form of light, heat, and other radiation. The supernova would quickly brighten, becoming visible to the naked eye on Earth, even during the day. At its peak, the exploding star could outshine the full moon, casting shadows and turning night into day for several weeks. The excitement surrounding Betelgeuse's potential supernova is palpable among astronomers. As Dr. Emily Thompson from the University of California, Berkeley, puts it, A supernova of this magnitude would be a once-in-a-lifetime event, providing an unprecedented opportunity to study the death of a massive star in real time. It would be a scientific goldmine, offering insights into stellar evolution, nuclear physics, and the chemical enrichment of the universe. However, the story of Betelgeuse took an unexpected turn in late 2019 when the star suddenly began to dim instead of continuing its dramatic brightening. This dimming was so significant that it was noticeable even to the naked eye, with Betelgeuse fading to about 40% of its usual brightness. The astronomical community was puzzled by this sudden change and scrambled to observe the star more closely, hoping to unravel the cause behind its fading light. The dimming of Betelgeuse poses a fascinating challenge for astronomers. Is this a sign of an impending supernova, or is there another explanation for the star's unusual behavior? The mystery deepens as we consider the possibilities and await further observations and data. Betelgeuse continues to captivate astronomers as its unusual behavior sparks a flurry of new theories and observations. With the red supergiant star refusing to follow the expected script, scientists are racing against time to solve the puzzle before the cosmic drama reaches its climax. If and when Betelgeuse explodes, it will mark the end of an era for a star that has fascinated humanity for millennia. Yet, in death, it will give birth to new celestial structures, possibly a neutron star or even a black hole. Its remnants will scatter through space, enriching future generations of stars and planets with heavy elements essential for life. So, as we gaze upon Betelgeuse tonight, we might be witnessing the final chapters of an ancient celestial giant. Whether it explodes tomorrow, in a decade, or 100,000 years, one thing is certain: the fate of Betelgeuse holds the key to understanding the very fabric of our universe. Stay tuned to the cosmos, because when Betelgeuse finally meets its fate, the night sky will never be the same again. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching my channel.